Children, today we are going to revise prose 3 long answer. What's the name of prose 3? The black aeroplane. Okay, the black aeroplane. In that black aeroplane, we can see the narrator started his journey from France to England. In which vehicle he is using? An aeroplane. Its name is Old Dakota aeroplane. He started his journey in 1:30 a.m. in the morning. He wants to be in England at the time of breakfast with his family. That is his intention. He has to with his family at the time of breakfast in the morning. So he started his journey in an Old Dakota airplane. So that is very important. Old Dakota plane. So which time he started his journey? Started his journey in the early morning 1:30 a.m. So what happened at the time of journey? At the time of beginning of journey, the sky was very clear and he saw the moon and the stars. So when he started his journey, all the climate and everything was very nice. Then after he finished or after he passed 150 kilometers away from Paris, what happened? He met a huge storm clouds. So if it is a storm clouds, it is unable to travel in the sky. In the suddenly the compass. What the compass? Compass what for what purpose? They are using the compass. The compass they are using to know the direction. It is stopped working immediately. And his radio. Radio is it's an instrument which help him to connect with the control room. That also stopped. So totally he lost in the sky. Understand? So what happened? What he afraid? He don't have that much fuel to run back to France also. So he decided to go inside the storm clouds. He decided to take a risk. Why he decided to take a risk? Because he wants to with his family morning at the time of breakfast. That is the word he go to his family. To keep up the word, what he did, he decided to take a risk by going inside the huge storm clouds. He went inside. He cannot see anything. Like a little child, he afraid. That time he saw a black aeroplane inside the storm clouds. He saw a black aeroplane. But what is the peculiarities of the black aeroplane? There was no lights in its wings. It's totally black. There was no wings on his. There was no lights in its wings. So he saw the pilot of the black aeroplane. This pilot showed an action. It shows what is the action he showed to follow him. So as a little child, our narrator followed the black aeroplane. As a little child, our narrator followed the black aeroplane. He came out of the storm clouds and he can see the lights of the runway. And he landed very safely in England airport. And that time what he did, he was such a grateful man. And he decided to say thanks to the pilot of the black aeroplane. He went to the control room. There was a lady. He asked the lady about the black aeroplane. But to his surprise, the lady said to him that there was no other plane other than the Old Dakota that in the runway at that time. So it was a mystery. Now we can say that whether it is a supernatural power or a ghost or whatever it may be, the black aeroplane become a mystery. With the help of the pilot of black aeroplane, maybe it is a God hand also. Our narrator landed safely in England. Understood, children? So let us revise the prose 3 long answer, the black aeroplane. Thank you.